In the past 2 months, the magnetic switch market has been either at the 100 yuan or 1000 yuan level. Is there a price around 500? What about the best magnetic switch keyboards right now? Of course, there is the M168 Ultra for lovers. AIYAN's M168 Pro is well known to everyone, and after its initial release, it's always been around 500 yuan, with a ceiling-like presence all around. Now AIYAN is increasing the quantity without raising the price. This price point gives you a better option. A main body of the keyboard. The above matches the M168 Pro, or the 68 array with ribbons. This time, the keycaps have been replaced with metal textured ones. When I touched these keycaps, it's completely different from the others. The quality difference is huge. The craftsmanship and delicacy are quite good. Also, the side head effect of the keycaps is better than I expected. Many of the lights are quite bright. This is also thanks to a powerful light guide column on the purple star shaft. The keyboard shell uses a CNC all-green body, with white being an electrical process. Both blue and pink are 180 mesh anodized white. This model's electrical smoothness is very high, with a silky smooth feel. The keyboard front height is 20.6 centimeters, and it also features the AIYAN logo. The back is quite simple, featuring a name tag and a heart-engraved logo pattern. Why does the M168 Ultra dare to be called the king around 500 yuan? Because it even gives you a carbon fiber positioning version. Carbon fiber positioning plate. Basically, you can only find them on keyboards priced around 1000 yuan. But AIYAN is just for you. There's no need to further explain how useful the purple star switch is. While maintaining a stable 0.01 performance, it also provides a strong tactile feel. Pressed crisply, rebounding feels comfortable. Springs exceed 20 millimeters. Let's just listen to the sound. The M168 Ultra also uses a high-end new flash solution. The first time you enter the drive, a body placement calibration will pop up, which is very user-friendly. After calibration is complete, you can enter the driver to make adjustments. The RT parameters you want. The entire driver is simple and straightforward, with advanced keys supporting functions like DKS MTT GLK-ME. The keyboard also has an 8K polling rate and a 32K door scanning rate. This M168 Ultra can be considered at this price point. I've given you everything I could. I can't give it to you anymore. He gave it to you too. You can easily compete with those who are persistent and pay around 1000 yuan per month. It's also a persistent keyboard that will graduate when the time comes. That's all for this video. If it helps you, you can follow it 3 times more. Thank you very much. See you next time.